Hey guys, welcome back to L&B Outdoors. So me and Dad just built a dirt bike track, and as you can see, we're on a dirt bike. So it's still very soft. So I'm gonna slip a lot, but don't dog me in the comments, please. It's my first time ever getting on a track, so we're gonna see how we go.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to L&B Outdoors Farm and More. Here's where the more comes in. I know the algorithm don't like nothing unless it's tractors on my channel, but you know what? We're having some fun today on this Saturday. The boy said, "Dad, make me a track." So that's what we did. We made a little motocross track here at the house. Of course, it's dry, it's soft, it's new, needs to rain on it, pack in, need to build some kind of packer. But this field right here, it doesn't want to grow. It's got a bunch of thistles in it. Now back over there is that 1 acre that does really good. So I said, you know what, I got the perfect spot for that. We'll just go disc it up, build a few jumps, and let him have some fun. So that's what we're doing. It's always fun around here. You never know what we're gonna get into. But I just took the old TO20 that I got, set a disc, and just come up with a track, a few jumps, and that's what we're doing. We took the disc, disced it up, and then took the box blade, bladed it down, made some jumps, and here we are. Well, what's up?
I got up the ground.
Getting better. It's all about practicing is what it's about. So that's just what we're doing today. Just having a little fun, making memories. I need to be working on that sprayer. Y'all see that video coming out in the near future. But no, we're just having fun. So anyway, we're gonna keep playing with this. Keep having some fun on this warm Saturday afternoon. All right, dude. Hopefully it'll rain in the next couple of days and it'll pack it in a little better. And
Okay, so that's our homemade track. It's not too much, but it's good enough for me to learn on. So the way we did it was we took a tiller, well actually we took a lawnmower, and we came around and made the track outline. Then we took a tiller on a Massey Ferguson old tractor. You've seen it on Dad's channel. Went around, tilled it up about 100 times, and it got to the point where it was kind of this real soft dirt. And then we took it and we box bladed it, and we made the jumps by a box blade. That's why they're not the best in the world. They'll get better as we keep packing them in. Dad's bringing the side by side to pack it in, make it a little less soft, and we'll go from there. Yeah, see y'all.
Like it though? Not bad for a little backyard track, huh? Anyway, appreciate y'all watching. I know it's a little short little clip, but we're having fun. Y'all take care, and we'll see y'all next video.